The random samples of fruits from the garden are tested in the lab for chemical residues for export trade. The fruits with attractive color and shining, belonging to super size, king size, and queen size, are eligible for international markets. These fruits must not have internal degeneration. The arils must have deep red or purple color with pleasant aroma. Sugar content, or the TSS, should be between 16 to 17 degree Brix. The export consignment should not have immature or over-ripened fruits. Skin of the fruit must be free from any scars of pest or disease and scratches. Selected fruits are cleaned individually with a cloth. High-pressure air is used to clean any dirt or insect in the calyx cup. Size and color of the fruits and the weight of the box depends on the destination market or the country. These boxes are stored at 5 to 7 degrees centigrade temperature and shipped to the target country. India has many advantages for pomegranate exports. First of all, we have highest area and production. The best varieties with attractive colored skin and arils and soft seeds are available. Year-round production is possible in most of the crop regions of India. Major production areas of Maharashtra and Karnataka are near to Mumbai port. Hence, it is easy for exports to Gulf and European countries. There are many pomegranate research stations across the country. Pomegranate Export Zone is established in Maharashtra. All pomegranate farmers' cooperative societies have joined hands to establish an apex organization called Maha Anar for export trade. Pomegranate Export Facility Center has come up at Baramati. Farmers are being trained for the production techniques for pomegranate export. Global GAP certification is done. Pomegranate export is realized under the trade name of Mahapom. There is a lot of scope to increase pomegranate exports using all these facilities. As of now, a major portion of pomegranate production is utilized for domestic consumption. Volume of exports is very less. Good demand and price in the domestic market are the reasons. The present international price for pomegranate is not that attractive, looking to the cost of production. It is necessary to increase yield or productivity to bring down cost of production. Inflow of pomegranate to European markets from Iran and Spain recedes after January. Hence, Indian fruits have a good demand between February and July. There is a lot of scope to popularize Indian pomegranate in the consumer markets of Canada, USA, and South American countries. We can target even Southeast Asian countries, Australia, Japan, Korea, and other countries. Eastern ports need facilities for the export of fruits from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Our farmers are getting INR 60 to 80 per kilogram on an average. This brings an attractive income if the yield is good. We can sustain the same price even after area expansion if we explore new markets. But the need of the hour is to develop disease-resistant variety to enhance production and productivity. India is expected to come to first position in the export of pomegranates soon. Pomegranate is the only crop generating huge income for dryland farmers with very less irrigation water. Let us hope that the crop stabilizes and brings prosperity for these farmers.